legal team niyo?
Hindi. I'm here as
Hello po, magandang umaga po. Okay, sige. Thank you. Alright. Hi, Senator. Hello po.
Assalamualaikum.
Where shall we get started? Yes. My name is Herminio Hari El Roque. I'm the least counsel of the court. I'm here to see...
VP, nakausap niyo na po ba siya? PRRD? No comment. Sige. Okay. Alright.
Okay, go.
Yes, can I help you?
My name is Herminio Hari El Roque Jr. I'm a member of the List Council of this court. I'm here to confer with my client, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He does not know that I have arrived at The Hague. He has to be informed. I'm also here in the presence of...
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
yes.
Sir, you can step in, and the lady, she's not allowed to record.
The lady, you're not allowed to record. Okay, thank you.
Only for you, only for you.
I am here with the daughter of the...
For the moment,
For the moment.
only you come.
Senator, kailan po kayo dumating? Wala muna. Sige.
Sensya na muna po.
Okay, sige, no problem.